Hi there and welcome back to Loopy Mabel's Closet. My name is Jane and in today's video it's all about my plain solid fabrics, not a ditzy print in sight today, and I'm going to share with you what I've got and what I plan on making with it. So I shall see you back here in a minute. So hi and welcome back, and if you've just found my channel, hello, and don't forget to subscribe if you like to follow along with my dressmaking. So before I continue, what am I wearing? Mabel isn't wearing anything today, shame on you Mabel, but I am wearing my Wilder gown blouse, which I did a vlog for the other week, and I shall pop the link for that up there. The Wilder gown just isn't for me. I've made the gown, the dress, and I've made the smock length, and they're not really my scene, but I love the blouse version. I love the neck detailing, just love it. So this is what I'm wearing. I did a little bit of a pattern hack with this one, and all the details are up in that vlog, but I'm also planning on making this Wilder gown blouse again and doing a vlog on pattern hacks and see how many different variations I can do with this pattern using obviously different fabrics. So stay tuned for that. So on to my plain fabrics that I've got today, and funnily enough they are all from First for Fabrics, which is a fabric store in Newcastle in England, and it's about 50 minutes drive from me, and I have got plans to go and have a mooch around it next week, and I am actually meeting lovely Lynn. Hi Lynn, if you're watching, and we're going to meet up for a coffee in Costa nearby, and then we are going to go have a browse around the store. And Lynn has followed me on Instagram, and we've just been communicating on Instagram and what have you, and she follows me on here, and it's so lovely to go and meet her, so I can't wait for that. So yes, so they're all from First for Fabrics. I got these all online, and I went for plains on this vlog because I do have, if you follow me, you know I like flowers, I love floral, I love ditzy prints, just love a flower and that type of fabric. But I need some plains, I need some solid items in my wardrobe as well, because they are lacking, totally lacking. So I've just had a little bit of a look through my wardrobe, made a note of things I'm lacking, things I could do with, and I've come up with this lovely little pile of fabrics to the left of me. So without further ado, I shall show you what I've got and what I've got planned. So yeah, so it's all about the plains. So I haven't made any trousers, I've never made any dungarees, I've never worked with denim, and I've never worked with corduroy since I've come back into my dressmaking. I have many years ago, many years ago, when my children were small, I used to make them dungarees and pinafores and you know, you name it, but that was a long time ago. My kids are 32 and 30 now, so it's a long time ago since I dabbled in those fabrics. So this is the year 2020 where I'm going to, you know, be a bit more creative, try more things out, try different styles and add to my wardrobe. If I don't like it, if it doesn't suit me, well, it's only fabric at the end of the day, and I'm enjoying the process, so it doesn't really matter. So I thought, right, I'm going to definitely make some trousers, and I've had this pattern. This is the Closet Case patterns, and it's the Pietra pants. I've had this pattern, for a good 18 months. Never done anything with it, and I just love, I'll show you the pattern first. I just love the detailing on the front, those flat pockets, and it's got a elasticated waistband at the back, so they're just literally a pull-on type of trouser. And there's also the shorts as well in this pattern, and there is some options as well with the trousers, and I'll show you the options. So you've got the wide-legged, long or cropped, or you've got the tapered leg, ankle length, and obviously the shorts. So I'll just show you the drawn pictures there. And with the fabric I'm going to show you, I'm going to go for the top version, the wide leg, but I'm going to go for the cropped. I quite like a cropped leg, and then you show your boots on underneath. And then obviously I could wear them in the spring, even in the summer, and you know, you get your ankles out and what have you, wear them with sandals and what have you, or some flat shoes. So I'm going to go for version, the top version, the wide-legged cropped version, and I'm going to go with this, isn't this gorgeous colour, pink, baby pink, pale pink baby cord. And it is so soft, it's not stiff. I was thinking, oh, you know, baby cord, I know it's a fine baby cord, but is it going to be stiff? No, it's not. It's a really lovely feel to it, and I think those trousers are going to look fab. Pale pink trousers. Can't wait to get going with these. So I just have to get it cut out and get sewing. So that's in the pale pink baby cord, and I love it. Absolutely love that colour. It's like a virgin on like a dirty pink, which I love. Dusky, dirty baby pink. So that is the fabric that I'm planning on making the Pietra pants, but the wide leg version. So that's that one. And then staying on to like bottoms and what have you, I haven't made any dungarees, never tried. So I'm going to try and make some dungarees, and I've got this fabulous lightweight stretch denim in this gorgeous old gold colour, and it's a lovely weight, and I got 2.5 meters of this, and I think this will be just absolutely fine for me to make. Again, this is a closet case pattern, and I'm going to have a go at the Jenny overalls. And again, I'm going to go for the cropped version, and I've got all the dungaree hardware. I've got the, you know, the fasteners, and I've even got my top stitching thread, so I can't wait to get going with them. And I'll just show you, I like the trousers too, actually, the Jenny trousers, so I'll have a go at making them as well some point, because I quite like the pocket detail on that. And I think it might be a side fastening on those trousers, not sure. Yeah, side fastening. And there is a drawing picture of the overalls or the trousers, and I'm going to go for the cropped version. But then obviously you've got the trousers, and you can also make the shorts or the short dungarees too, which I won't be doing. So yes, you've got quite a few options in that pattern. So yeah, so I'm going to have a go at the dungarees. Hopefully it should be fine. I've seen some great pictures on Instagram of people making them, and it's really spurred me on. So dungarees in this gorgeous old gold denim. And it's got a bit of stretch to it. Let's have a look. Yeah, it's got a little bit of stretch to it as well. So that's quite good. So I'm really looking forward to doing that. So that's two new things. So I'm doing well. And then the following 4 fabrics, they're all the same fabrics. They're all a viscose linen look, and again, all in plain colours, but I've got the colours because I thought they would mix and match really well with my Pietra pants. And then I've got on obviously my jeans, which I wear all the time, but I'm trying to get out of wearing jeans all the time, hence making trousers and dungarees. And they will all go with obviously the Pietra pants and some other trousers that I've got planned as well. So I'll show you the first colour, which is this gorgeous rose colour, and hopefully you can see the detailing in the fabric. It does look like linen. It's got like the slubs and that texture that linen has, and it's just a gorgeous colour, and I think that'll go absolutely fabulous with the pink corduroy. I'll just show you. Let's move the dungaree fabric out the way, so it'll go gorgeous pink and pink. And what I'm planning to do with the pink is the Merchant and Mills Florence top. Quite a short, boxy, short sleeve top with lovely buttons down the back and that gorgeous frill which just softens the whole shape of it. I love that. And I'm going for shorter tops in this batch because I want to show, obviously I'm making the trousers, so I want to show the waist details or the pocket details or just the fit of the trousers rather than wearing a longer smock top and then covering it all up. So that's the plan. So all these tops I'm going to show you are all like fairly boxy, shortish type of tops. So that's the Florence. So I think that'll go really well. Gorgeous drape on that one. And again, it'll go gorgeous with that pink baby cord. Just show you again. Just think that'll go gorgeous. So that's the rose version, and then I've got this gorgeous biscuit version. Again, show you. This is all the viscose linen look. I've got 4 of them all together. Again, this will go gorgeous with the Pietra pants. A little bit of Neapolitan ice cream going on there, but again, go perfect. And the plan for the biscuit shade, I'm hoping I have enough, is again the closet case, and I'm going to go for the CeeLo top, the short version there, the blue short version. I love the details on those sleeves. It's more structure to the sleeve, so I'm hoping I've got enough to do that with this. I'm hoping the fabric will be okay. This fabric obviously has got a bit more drape to it. You can use a drapier fabric, but if you want more structure, you can go for something a little bit more, you know, a bit more heavier weight. So this will be fine, but I'm not sure whether it will be as structured as the picture, but we'll see. And hopefully I'll get it out of this because I think it calls for 1.85 metres and I've only got 1.5. So I might have to do a little bit of pattern magic on that one. But again, I just think it'll go lovely if I can get it out of this fabric. I think it'll just go lovely with that pink. So I'm doing quite well with my Pietra pants so far. So that's 2 tops. That'll go. And then for the next one will definitely go because it is in white. And I don't have a single white blouse to my name in my wardrobe. I went through my wardrobe and I thought, well, I'll see what I've got and what I need to bring in and what I need not to make as much of. And I've got no white. I've got white t-shirts and white vests and white long sleeve t-shirts, but I've got not one single white blouse to my name, and so white is lacking, so not anymore. So I've got this gorgeous crisp white fabric too, and with that one I'm going to be making the peppermint. I made this before. Remember my Nana's old curtains I did a vlog on last year? I put the link for that up there. That was this pattern. Lovely little pattern. I love the little ruffles on the sleeves, and I'm just going to keep it to the length of this pattern because my Nana's old curtains I lengthened it to make it more of a tunic length. But this one I'm going to keep it short and boxy, like I said, because I want to be able to show the pockets and the waist of my trousers. And also, I've lost 3 stones since then, so I want to show off a little bit more of my figure, as you do. I don't want to be hiding behind smock tops forevermore, although I do like a smock top. Don't get me wrong, I do like a smock top and I will still wear them over my jeans and what have you, but I just fancied going for shorter, boxier version tops for these Pietra pants. So that's the Peppermint magazine, which is by In the Folds, and it's a ruffle sleeve top, and it's going to be in that gorgeous white. And I'll just show you pink and white together. Looks absolutely lush. So I think that's going to be another nice outfit. And then a final colour, which I'm not sure whether it'll go all that well with this pink, but we shall see, is this lovely ochre shade. which is a gorgeous, gorgeous colour. And I'm going to be making one of my favourite blouses, which is the Roscoe blouse, the short version. And I've tried the dress, I don't like the dress, and I'm not keen on the smock version either. This is a little bit like the Wilder gown pattern. I just think they're too much of a nightie, for me anyway, far too much of a nightie going on, and just not me, but love the blouse. I think I've made 4 of these so far, love the blouse. So that is going to be in this gorgeous ochre. And I'm not sure what it'll look like with the pink. Let's have a look. Possibility. Let's see. What do you think? Tell me what you think. Do you think they go? Try and show you a bit better. So do you think they go? We shall see. Try it. So they are my plain solid fabrics and what I'm planning to make with them. Obviously with the dungarees, I don't think any of these blouses would go, the colours would go with the denim colour, but there's going to be a bit too much fabric going on to tuck in under a dungaree, I would think. So possibly with the dungarees, I will probably make some more Somerset t-shirts by Maven Patterns, one of my favourite patterns. I love that. I just love the sleeves. Or even some Freya long sleeve tees as well. Or even Coco's. Coco's might look quite well. A Coco top by Tilly and the Buttons might go quite well underneath the dungarees. So I need to maybe have a little bit more planning what I'm going to wear underneath them. But definitely the Pietra pants in this delicious pale pink baby cord. Absolutely love it. So that is my plans for my solid fabrics. So I've got quite a bit to keep me going. And I think they all work, and I think I've done quite well with choosing the colours, because you never know when you order online, do you, what the true colour is, but they've all come up absolutely beautiful colours. So thank you First for Fabrics if you're watching. And as I say, I'll be there next week as well for another browse. So they are my solids, my plains. Not normally me going for plains, because I do love a floral, as you know, but you know, I am a bit desperate for plains, so hopefully these will fill the gap. So tell me what you think of the shades, and have you made any of these patterns? Have you made the dungarees or the Pietra pants, and what did you think of them? And did the fit, what was the fit like? Because obviously I'm not sure what the fit's going to be like yet, so I might have to do a toile on, especially, well, I may have to do a toile on them both. So yeah, so that's going to be exciting trying this out. So hopefully you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already done so. I've got obviously lots of sewing to do. This is my plain module. I've also got a floral module coming as well, and that's going to be all floral blouses. Can't resist a floral. So everything will mix and match and coordinate, which is can only be a good thing. So thanks for joining me today. I've got lots to do with this little lot. I've got all the pattern pieces stick together yet, so it's going to be a sellotape fest before I even get anything cut out. But yeah, until the next time, thanks for watching. Please take care and happy sewing.